If you want to have a relationship with a Chinese girl and you want to have a date with her, what should you do? What you can do in the date to make her fall in love with you? Well, there are no surefire way to make any girl fall in love with you, but there are some general things that you can do to increase your chances. And in today's video, I'm going to share 5 tips to attract a Chinese girl and make your date more successful. If you don't know me yet, my name is Diana. I'm a native Chinese, but I've been living in Australia for 4 years and I have lived in Brazil for 2 years. So without further ado, let's get started. My first tip is be tidy. As we all know, the first impression is so important. We always see the appearance of someone first. Wear clean and neat clothes and keep good hygiene. Shave yourself and make a simple hairstyle. This will make the Chinese girl feel comfortable and relaxed next to you. The second tip is to be a gentleman and pay attention to the details. Put your attention on the girl. Chinese girls like to be treated with respect. Make sure pay attention to the cars when you're walking on the street. Open the car doors for her, pull out her chairs, and always ask for her opinions before you make a decision like choosing a restaurant. Also, be a good listener. Listen to her and pay attention and be interested in what she's going to say. Chinese girls can be quite shy, so it's important to give her space to open up to you. Anyways, put all your attention on her and don't ignore her. Treat her with respect. The next tip is be patient. Don't expect the Chinese girl to act like a Western girl. Chinese girls are more reserved and traditional, so you will need to be more patient and respectful. Don't expect to touch her or hug her or even kiss her on the first date, and always ask permission in advance, like, can I hug you? Can I kiss you? And ask the girl if she's interested in you after the first date and if she agrees to hang out again. If she agrees to hang out again, then it means you had a successful date. A Chinese girl is relatively more cautious with starting a relationship, so just enjoy spending time with her and be more patient and let things develop naturally. And you can always ask her what she feels about the date, and if there's anything you can improve, she would feel respected and treated well as well. The next tip is take the lead. Chinese girls can be quite shy and conservative, so it's important to take the lead if you are dating a more traditional girl. But this doesn't mean being trolling. This just means be confident and initiative. Many Chinese girls would appreciate it if the man is decisive and is confident and he knows what he wants. Plan the date, whether it's a nice dinner, a fun activity, or going out for a walk. Having a plan shows that you've put thoughts into the date and care about creating a good experience. You can also offer a few options and let the girl choose what she wants. While it's important to take the lead, it's also crucial to balance it with moments that you need to let her to take the initiative. Remember, taking the lead doesn't mean disregarding her thoughts or feelings on the date. Always be respectful and attentive to her needs and preferences. Listen to what she says and be willing to adapt if necessary. The next one is be respect. Respect is very important for any relationship, and we've touched about respect in the last 4 points already. And I think it's especially important when dating a Chinese girl because of the cultural difference. Showing respect in your words and actions can really help to build trust. There are some simple ways to show your respect. The first one is understand the Chinese culture. Learn more about the Chinese culture and tradition. Respect her family and the things are important for her. The next one is respect her boundaries. Don't rush into physical contact or push her to do anything she's not comfortable with. Ask for her permission before taking any action that might be inappropriate or offensive. And the next one is always be polite. Listen to her, make eye contact, and show that you care about what she says. Compliment her on her looks or anything that she's doing well. Thank her for the things that she does, like planning the date. Let her know that you notice and appreciate her efforts. But in general, for me, I think a relationship is always built on trust and respect and equality. And it doesn't matter if you are dating a Chinese girl or an American girl or Australian girl. The only difference is because a Chinese girl can be quite different because of the Chinese culture and tradition. But as long as you learn more about the Chinese culture and tradition and avoid some red flags, and I'm pretty sure that you can make a successful date. And that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful if you are planning to date a Chinese girl or if you are already dating a Chinese girl. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about dating a Chinese girl, and if you have any other tips. So I see you next time. Bye bye.